Copywriting is a powerful tool in the world of digital marketing, and it can also be a lucrative career for those with a talent for words. Whether you're a freelance writer looking to supplement your income or a seasoned marketer looking to expand your skills, online copywriting can be an excellent way to make money. In this video, we'll show you 5 useful tips for making money with online copywriting. Make sure you stay with us until the end of the video, as each tip is highly valuable. Number 1. Find your niche. Finding your niche is an essential step in establishing a successful career in online copywriting. It's important to identify the type of writing that you're most skilled at and the audience you're best suited to reach. By doing so, you'll be able to focus your efforts and hone your skills, which will allow you to become an expert in your field. One of the benefits of online copywriting is that there are many different niches to choose from, so there's likely to be one that's a good fit for you. Some common niches in online copywriting include email marketing, landing page copy, social media copy, and content marketing. Email marketing is a popular niche in online copywriting because it's an effective way to reach potential customers and build relationships with existing ones. As an email marketer, you'll be responsible for crafting compelling subject lines, writing persuasive copy, and designing eye-catching templates that will get people to open your emails and take action. Landing page copy is another important niche in online copywriting. A landing page is a standalone web page that's designed to capture leads, sell products, or provide information. As a landing page copywriter, you'll be responsible for writing copy that's clear, concise, and compelling, and that's designed to convert visitors into customers. Social media copy is a fast-growing niche in online copywriting. With more and more businesses using social media to reach their target audience, there's a high demand for skilled social media copywriters. As a social media copywriter, you'll be responsible for writing engaging and shareable posts, crafting compelling ad copy, and building relationships with followers. Content marketing is another important niche in online copywriting. Content marketing involves creating valuable, informative, and relevant content that's designed to attract and retain customers. As a content marketer, you'll be responsible for writing blog posts, ebooks, case studies, and other types of content that will engage your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Finding your niche in online copywriting is an important step in building a successful career. By identifying the type of writing that you're most skilled at and the audience you're best suited to reach, you'll be able to focus your efforts and become an expert in your field. Whether you choose email marketing, landing page copy, social media copy, or content marketing, there's sure to be a niche that's a good fit for you. Number 2. Build a strong portfolio. Building a strong portfolio is one of the most important steps in establishing a successful career as an online copywriter. Your portfolio serves as a representation of your skills and abilities, and it can make or break your chances of landing new clients and projects. Here's what you need to know about building a strong portfolio in the world of online copywriting. Showcase your best work. The purpose of your portfolio is to demonstrate your abilities as a copywriter, so make sure it showcases your best work. Choose a selection of your most impressive pieces, whether they're emails, website copy, or social media posts, and highlight your writing style and ability to write for different audiences. The quality of your writing should be top-notch, and it should be error-free. Demonstrate your ability to write for different audiences. A key component of online copywriting is the ability to write for different audiences. You may be asked to write for a B2B audience, for example, or for a B2C audience. Your portfolio should reflect your ability to write for a variety of audiences, so include examples of your work across different niches. This will show potential clients that you have the versatility and adaptability to write for their specific needs. Include examples of different mediums. The world of online copywriting encompasses a variety of mediums, from website copy to email marketing campaigns to social media posts. Your portfolio should reflect your ability to write for different mediums, so include examples of your work across different platforms. This will demonstrate your versatility and give clients a sense of your range as a copywriter. Customize your portfolio for each client. While it's important to have a strong portfolio that showcases your best work, You should also be prepared to customize your portfolio for each client. This means reviewing the client's needs, the type of writing they're looking for, and the type of audience they're targeting, and choosing pieces from your portfolio that are most relevant. This will help you make a stronger impression on potential clients and show them that you understand their needs and can meet them with your writing. Building a strong portfolio is crucial in the world of online copywriting. By showcasing your best work, demonstrating your ability to write for different audiences, including examples of different mediums, and customizing your portfolio for each client, you'll be well on your way to establishing a successful career as an online copywriter. Number 3. Learn from the best. Learn from the best is one of the most important tips for anyone looking to improve their copywriting skills and make money with online copywriting. One of the best ways to improve your skills is to study the work of copywriting legends who have paved the way in the industry and have a wealth of knowledge to offer. David Ogilvy, Gary Halbert, and Robert Collier are just a few of the names that should be on your list of copywriting legends to study. These individuals have been instrumental in shaping the copywriting industry and have helped set the standard for effective copywriting. By reading their books and articles, you'll gain valuable insights into the strategies and techniques that have made them successful. In addition to reading the works of these legends, it's also important to study the copy on successful websites and marketing campaigns. This will give you a better understanding of how to write effective copy that resonates with your target audience. When you're studying these campaigns, pay close attention to the language and structure they use. This will help you find common patterns and ways of doing things that you can use in your own work. By taking the time to learn from the best, you'll be well on your way to improving your copywriting skills and making money with online copywriting. It may take time and effort to truly master the art of copywriting, but by following in the footsteps of these legends and continuing to study their work, you'll be well on your way to success. So make it a point to read books and articles by copywriting legends and study the copy on successful websites and marketing campaigns. Take notes, try to identify patterns and techniques, and most importantly, don't be afraid to try new things. Remember, the key to success in any industry is to always be learning and growing, and the world of online copywriting is no exception. Number 4. Network with other copywriters. Networking with other copywriters can be a valuable resource in the world of online copywriting. Not only can you learn from each other, but you can also support each other in finding new clients and opportunities. Building a strong network can also provide you with new perspectives, insights, and inspiration that can help you grow as a copywriter. Here are some tips for building a network of fellow copywriters. Join online communities. Online communities are a great way to connect with other copywriters and share knowledge, advice, and resources. Consider joining forums, Facebook groups, and LinkedIn groups dedicated to copywriting, marketing, and digital media. These communities can be a great place to ask questions, share your work, and get feedback from other writers. Attend conferences. Conferences are a great way to connect with other copywriters and learn from industry experts. Attending conferences can give you the opportunity to network with other writers, learn new skills, and gain valuable insights into the world of online copywriting. Many conferences also offer opportunities for attendees to meet with potential clients and partners, so be sure to take advantage of these opportunities. Reach out to other copywriters on social media. Social media is a great way to connect with other copywriters and build relationships. Consider following copywriters, marketers, and industry influencers on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Share your work, comment on their posts, and engage in meaningful conversations. Building relationships with other copywriters on social media can be a great way to expand your network and find new opportunities. Collaborate with other copywriters. Collaborating with other copywriters can be a great way to build your network and gain new perspectives. Consider working on joint projects, contributing guest posts to each other's blogs, or co-writing articles. Collaborating with other writers can also help you expand your skills, learn from others, and build your reputation as a copywriter. Networking with other copywriters can be a valuable resource in the world of online copywriting. By joining online communities, attending conferences, reaching out to other copywriters on social media, and collaborating on projects, you can build a strong network of fellow writers who can support you and help you grow as a copywriter. So start building your network today and watch your online copywriting career take off. Number 5. Offer exceptional value to your clients. Offering exceptional value to your clients is the key to success in any business, and this is especially true in the world of online copywriting. With so much competition in the field, it is important to stand out and offer something unique and valuable to your clients. Here are some tips for offering exceptional value to your clients as an online copywriter. Write high-quality copy. The most important aspect of copywriting is, of course, the actual writing. Your writing should be top-notch, with clear, concise, and engaging language that captures the reader's attention and drives them to take action. Make sure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and that you are familiar with the tone and voice that are most appropriate for your target audience. Meet deadlines. As a professional copywriter, it is essential that you are able to meet deadlines. Your clients will expect you to deliver their copy on time, so it is important to be organized and efficient in your work. Make sure that you have a system in place for keeping track of deadlines and that you are able to manage your time effectively. Be willing to go the extra mile. To truly set yourself apart from other copywriters and offer exceptional value to your clients, you need to be willing to go the extra mile. This could mean offering additional revisions, providing additional research, or taking the time to really understand the client's goals and objectives. By going above and beyond, you will show your clients that you are dedicated to their success and that you are willing to do whatever it takes to help them achieve their goals. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is an important aspect of offering exceptional value to your clients. This means being responsive to their needs and questions, providing timely updates on the progress of their projects, and being professional and courteous in all of your interactions with them. By offering exceptional customer service, you will build a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy copywriter, which will help you attract new clients and retain existing ones. Continuously improve your skills. Finally, to offer exceptional value to your clients, it is important to continuously improve your skills as a copywriter. This means staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the field, reading books and articles on copywriting, and taking courses and attending workshops to enhance your skills. By continuously improving, you will stay ahead of the competition and be able to offer even more value to your clients. Offering exceptional value to your clients is the key to success as an online copywriter. By writing high-quality copy, meeting deadlines, going the extra mile, providing excellent customer service, and continuously improving your skills, you can set yourself apart from other copywriters and build a reputation as a valuable and trusted professional. And that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed these tips on how to make money with online copywriting. Remember, online copywriting can be a lucrative career for those with a talent for words. By finding your niche, building a strong portfolio, learning from the best, networking with other copywriters, and offering exceptional value to your clients, you can make money as an online copywriter. So start honing your skills, building your network, and writing your way to success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.